Built originally by Jonathan Peck Jr., this idyllic center chimney farmhouse is surrounded by over an acre of pristine land in Bristol. Set back from the road, the property provides quiet seclusion with its long cedar-lined driveway surrounded by a bucolic, grassy field. The property's rich sense of history is felt the moment you enter. To the right, you notice the unfinished, wide pine floors and large sun-filled windows of the living room. The warm pine floors continue on the other side of the entry in the formal dining room, which leads to a cozy study beyond. The spacious eat-in kitchen has been lovingly modernized with stainless steel appliances and sleek marble countertops, while an adjacent pantry and laundry room provide excellent storage and plenty of space for managing household tasks. A brand new full bath pleasingly completes the first floor. Exploring upstairs, the second floor provides a generous family room with another gorgeous fireplace and comfortable bedrooms at each end of the house. A third small yet welcoming room works nicely as a nursery or a private walk-in closet. The full bath has also been recently renovated and includes a relaxing deep-soaking tub. Living in Bristol is very special with its historic downtown and fabulous dining. The Rogers Free Library was fully refurbished in 2008 and provides 28,000 square feet dedicated to enriching the community. You'll be just minutes from the Bristol Yacht Club, while nearby Blythewald Mansion is one of the state's premier arboretums and gardens. Colt State Park is a favorite spot to meet up for picnics along Narragansett Bay. In addition, a 5-minute bike ride down the hill leads to a small swimming beach and an entrance into the 14-mile East Bay bike path. Residents of the town are equidistant to the work and nightlife of Providence to the north and the charm and beaches of Newport to the south. For more information, please visit the property website or call Dory Skemp at area code 401-524-2369.